up, guys? Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make good money. You know that anytime that I come live here, it simply means that there's another legit way to make money, and this legit way is going to make you millions of dollars in future. Okay, so guys, I want to tell you something. There is something cooking that a lot of people don't know. A lot of things are happening in crypto space right now. A lot of things are happening. You can see that BTC is $41,000 right now. Wow, this is a wow. Okay, and this is to tell you that the bull run we are talking about is right now. Getting crypto, getting all those coins and keep it in your portfolio is the most biggest achievement that you will do to yourself this 2023. Okay, and I'm going to share with you this particular token that I believe that is going to do a lot of magic in 2024 bull run. Okay, so what do you need to do? I'm going to share with you how you can turn that at $5 that you have, that $20 that you have, that $30 that you have, that $50 that you have. I want to share with you how you can turn it to 20,000, 30,000, 50,000 and $100,000 during this bull run. Okay, so how do you do that? Make sure that you come to this place. This is the first thing to do. Come to this place. You can see what I did now. I subscribe to this channel. This is Online Money Hunter. Then you click on this place, okay, to turn on the notification bell. Put it in all here. That's simple thing you need to do, so that whenever that I upload video like this, you are going to be part of it. You are going to make money with the same strategy that using. Okay, and anything that I drop here, I will ask you to go and do your research for you to know that whatever that I'm sharing with you is legit and is working. So we are going to our Binance. Okay, we are going to our Binance. Forget whatever that people are saying concerning Binance. Do you know how many billions that Binance are paying to the US government? And still yet Binance, nobody is talking about losing of money in Binance. That's to tell you that Binance is the big deal. Okay, so we are going to do something right now, something that nobody is talking about. Okay, nobody is talking about this particular method that I'm going to share with you right now. So let's go to Binance. So guys, we are now on Binance. So what do we need to do? So you can see that market is really moving faster. So let me share something with you guys. Once you come to this search and search for BTC here, you can see that BTC now is 41,689. 41,000. Stop playing. This is the reason why you should take every update that I drop here very serious, because you are going to thank me later. Do you understand? You are going to thank me later. So my point now is that there is this coin that I want you to get right now. Okay, I want you to get this coin right now. So getting this coin will help you in future. So what is the name of this coin that I'm talking about? Even if you have that coin, I want you to get more of it. And there are this method that I want to tell you that will help you generate a lot of money in future. Okay, there's this particular method that I'm going to share with you. Nobody is talking about this method. So once I come to this place and type Memecoin. Okay, so once I type Memecoin here, you are going to click on this, and I'm going to share with you something. You can see that this particular coin have done a lot of, it have been pumping since the launch. Okay, you can see it here. And this is still time to buy this coin. You can see that the coin is 0.032423. okay, you can see it here. This is the price of the coin. Okay, this is the price of the coin. So it's not even up to $1. So this is the time to buy this coin and hold it. This coin, in a month's time, we are going to come here again, and I'll tell you how much I have made with this coin, with the strategy that I'm going to share with you right now. So what is that strategy? Once you come back here, I'm going to share with you how you can buy, the easiest way to buy this token. Okay, so how you can buy this coin is very simple. Let's go back. So we are now here. So the next thing to do right now is to come to this more. Okay, if you have this coin, I don't want you to stress yourself going to the market. So what you are going to do is to come to this convert. So once you come to this convert, what you will do right now for me is, you can see this place. This place is where you can convert any coin. Okay, where you can convert any coin. So what you are going to do for me is come to this place. Okay, come to this place. I have like $35 worth of this token. Okay, but I'm going to share with you how you can make millions with this token. So what you are going to do right now is to come to this place. You can see this place. You click on this, and then you search for mem for me. You can see the coin. You click on that. Make sure that you click on this place. So make sure that this mem, you can see that the mem is at the upper side here, and I have like 1093 here. You can see it here. So what I want to tell you here is that how to make money with this is you need to convert this. Okay, you must have money both. Maybe you have money on your BNB, maybe you have money on your USDT, maybe you have money on your ETH. Okay, anyone you have money at all, what I want you to do right now is come to this place, okay, and type the amount that you want to convert to that meme coin. So like, let me just give you example. I'm going to convert this 5, okay, 5 USDT, okay, and it's going to give me 152.6 something here. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on this place, okay, and once I click on that, I'm going to convert this. Conversion successful. This is simple thing that I want you to do. So after doing this, this is the secret that I want to reveal to you. So once you come to view history, you can see that I have converted this, okay. So what I will do right now is to go back, okay, and once I go back, I'm going to go back. So you can see that we are back right now. What I will do right now is to come to this place. You can see where I'm touching this wallet, and once you click on that wallet, what you will do for me is to come to this spot, okay, and once you come to this spot, you can see that the amount that I have now is $40, $40.5, okay, that's it. And the amount of token that I have right now is 1246. This is the amount that I have, okay. Let me tell you how you can make money with this strategy that I'm sharing with you right now. A lot of people will hide this particular update that I'm sharing with you for free without collecting any money. So what we do right now, in order to turn this money, this particular money, to $10,000, $20,000, $11,000, $5,000, okay, how you can turn this is to come to this place. You can see spot, you can see funding, you can see earning, you can see feature, you can see margin, you can see options here. So what I want you to do for me is to come to this end, okay. So once you come to this end, okay, the next thing that I want you to do right now is to click on this. You can come to earn, or you can click on this auto investment, okay. So what is, come to this place, okay, come to this place and click on earn again, okay. So once you click on earn again, the next thing you will do right now is to come to this meme. Follow this instruction, you come to this meme, and once you come to this meme, the next thing you are going to do is very simple. You are going to be getting 0.41% just for leaving this your coin, okay. And you can see here, this is auto. You can leave it to auto, okay. I leave it to auto so that I won't miss anything. So leave it to auto. So after leaving it to auto, the next thing you are going to do is to come to this max. So once you click on this max, it will bring the total amount that you have in your mem. So what we do, and the total amount that I have is 1264.0073, and this is the amount that I have. So what we do right now, you can see that daily estimated reward is 0.01432.904, okay. This is the amount that I will be accumulating every day, but some people will buy their coin and leave it like that, and it's not generating any money for them. This is the secret. You will see that this particular 1246 worth of this token that I bought will turn to, let's say, 2000 or 3000. Do you understand? Because it will keep adding every day. It will keep adding. This is just farming this token, okay. It will keep adding, and once it keep adding, I'm going to be earning ×2 of what I will earn in future. Let's just say that okay, let me just click on this confirm. Let me click on confirm. I'm sharing you this knowledge free of charge. You can see subscription successful, okay. So I'm going to click on go to wallet, okay. So you can see that this money, if you are searching for it on spots, okay, you can see that you can't see it in spot again because it's working for us. So where you can see this token is once you come to this end, you are going to see it here, okay. This is the amount. Let's just say that this token, let's say in next month or next 2 months, that this token click to $2 and I have 1246. Let's do calculation because I love doing calculation. Okay, let's just say that this particular token clock like $2 because I know that it's going to be more than $10 or $20. Mark my word. So let me just say that it clocked to $2. This is, I have 1268. $2 multiplied by 1268, right? Let me check. 1246. 1246. So you can see that automatically I'm making 2492. Just $40. I'm using $40 to make 2492. Some people don't know what is coming. Some people don't know what is coming. I want you guys to start doing what you are doing now. Don't wait until the bull run start. Start your bull run right now. Start your bull run right now. Accumulate more of this particular token. Get more of this particular token. I repeat it again. Get more of this particular token, because the same token that this particular token that you bought $10 worth of it, $20 worth of it, $30 worth of it is going to make you millions. Let's just say that this token, this particular token, I'm seeing future with this token. Let's just say that this token clock $10. I'm going to make $12,460. And let's just say it clock $100. It will be $124,600. Stop playing, stop playing, stop playing. Start right now, start right now. I don't want to talk too much, okay? This is secret that a lot of people are paying to get, and I'm giving you this free of charge. Let's just say that the same token, because I'm finding that token right now, okay? Let's just say that this token, I farm it up to, let's say, 2,000. I'm making $200,000. Nobody, as in, a lot of people don't know what is coming. That's the thing. A lot of people don't know what is coming. So I want you to do something for me. I will start from now. I'm going to be dropping some coin that will make you millions in future. When I'm talking and laughing, know that something is coming up. Something is coming up, and that thing is something that will make you millions. Okay, something is coming up. Stop playing. Something is coming up. I say stop playing. Something is coming up. Go and get this token. Go and get this token. Okay, this token is going to make you millions. So what I want you to do right now is very simple. Please, I want you to rush to our Telegram and follow us. Rush to our WhatsApp group and follow us, because those places that I'm telling you, I'm going to be dropping some airdrop. I'm going to be dropping some all this coin that will help you make millions. Okay, know that I'm not a financial advisor, but what I do here is that whatever that is working for me, I'll come straight here and share it with you. You are the one to decide whether to join us or not. Okay, but I believe that you are going to join us because you are going to make money when you join us. See you guys at the top, and still keep winning. Okay,